Is it the right time to buy or sell Meta stock? Today, we're going to dive deep into Meta and provide you with an even more detailed analysis. If you find this content valuable, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. We want to make sure you don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Are you looking to enhance your trading decisions? Try our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. With this tool, you can tap into the power of AI to get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide. Take advantage of this opportunity today. Lastly, please remember that the information provided in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 7, 2023, our system has identified Meta as a buy candidate, with a score of 4.37. Now, let's dive into Meta's stock performance during this period. The stock has shown a commendable gain of 9.72%. This means an average daily return of 0.65% since it was labeled as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in an upward trend, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected to react back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $365.03, it may indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 13.26% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 0.507% to 15.38%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 102.45% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 103.17% to 134.14%. This implies a price range of $727.99 to $838.96 after 12 months. In our latest update for Meta, we have some exciting news to share. The stock gained 0.137% on the last trading day, Thursday, December 28, 2023. The price went up from $357.83 to $358.32. It's worth noting that this marks the third consecutive day of gains for Meta. Now, the big question is whether it will continue to rise or take a breather in the coming days. Let's take a closer look at the trading day. Meta stock experienced some fluctuations, ranging from a low of $357.82 to a high of $361.90, representing a 1.14% change. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 of them, resulting in an overall increase of 7.04% over the past 2 weeks. On the last trading day, the volume fell by minus 969,000 shares. In total, approximately 12 million shares were bought and sold for a value of around $4.20 billion. We should keep in mind that a decrease in volume despite higher prices can indicate a divergence, potentially signaling changes in the near future. Now, let's take a broader view. Looking at the past 52 weeks, Meta's stock reached its highest price at $361.90 and its lowest price at $115.77. Currently, the price is 0.99% or $3.58 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 6.77% or $26.01 below the all-time high, which occurred on September 1, 2021, when the price reached $384.33. Today, we're going to talk about analyst ratings for Meta. B. Riley Securities recently gave Meta a neutral grade with a hold action. Another analyst, Wedbush, also gave Meta a positive rating, grading it as outperform with a hold action. Wells Fargo joined in with an equal weight grade and a hold action for Meta. Moving on to previous ratings, Goldman Sachs gave Meta a buy grade with a hold action. KeyBank also had a positive outlook, giving Meta an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given the stock of Meta a general rating of buy. They consider the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, let's take a look at the signals for the Meta stock. We have mostly positive signals on the chart. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals confirms a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. If the stock experiences any downward corrections, it is expected to find support at $354.01 and $335.75. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals may be issued. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 12.87%. This indicates a further rise until a new top pivot is identified. We also have a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, it's important to note that the volume fell during the last trading day despite the price gains. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. Therefore, it is recommended to closely monitor the stock. Today, I want to share some interesting signals with you. Let's dive in. First up, we have the Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It's currently giving a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots. It gave a buy signal 16 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator also gave a buy signal 5 days ago. Both the short-term and long-term moving averages are showing a buy signal, which was given 16 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages is signaling a buy, and this signal was given 37 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we can see that the short moving average gave a buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a buy signal, but this one was given 43 days ago. Lastly, the relation between the short and long moving averages is indicating a buy signal, which occurred 237 days ago. Remember, if you want to find more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. When it comes to support levels, Meta currently has two key levels to consider. The first is at $334.92 and the second is at $299.53. These levels represent areas where the stock has historically found support, meaning that the price tends to bounce back up after reaching these levels. However, it's important to note that if the stock breaks below one support level, it may continue to fall towards the next one. Moving on to risk, it's worth mentioning that whenever a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, there is a possibility that the stock may decline further. In the case of Meta, if the current support at $334.92 is broken, the next support levels to watch out for are at $299.53 and $288.35. Now let's consider the stock's volatility. Meta tends to have average movements during the day and trades with good volume. This means that the risk associated with trading this stock is considered to be medium. Looking at the previous day, the stock had a price range of $4.08, which is equivalent to a 1.14% change between the high and low. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 1.39%. Let's start by discussing some important fundamental data before we delve into the potential good trading levels for Meta. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Meta's PE ratio falls within the normal range, which is typically observed in well-established businesses with predictable revenue streams. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 17, 2024. It's an important date to keep in mind. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $4.75. These figures can have a significant impact on stock prices, so it's worth monitoring them closely. Today, we're going to explore potential day trading levels for Meta. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we find that there's no significant resistance above. This suggests that under favorable conditions, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such a scenario, it might be wise to enter a position and use volume as a guide for determining when to exit. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $334.92. If this support level holds, it could present an excellent entry point for traders who anticipate a rebound in the stock's price. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Meta is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider trades involve Zuckerberg Mark, who bought and sold a total of 47,540 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of -36.874. In total, insiders purchased 208,392 shares and sold 452,931 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting your stop loss at $345.38, representing a decrease of 3.61%. This stock tends to have moderate daily price fluctuations, which means it carries a medium level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is currently at 80, indicating a higher risk level. However, a buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom discovered 15 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, we believe there is a buying opportunity for Meta stock. Our analysis shows that the current price is undervalued, considering the volatility and movements of the last trading day. On Friday, December 29th, we expect Meta to open at $1.03 higher than the previous close, starting trading at $359.35. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Additionally, please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment decisions. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Comment below and share your opinions. What do you think the target for the stock should be? Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future updates. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.